Hey everybody, today I want to show you how to draw an optical illusion. So what that means is that if you look at it one way, it looks like one thing, and if you look at it another way, it looks like another thing. So we're going to do a cat that can look like a bird, and we're going to start here with the head. So we're going to draw it in the cat position, but we're going to draw things so that when we turn it, it looks like a bird. So the first thing we're going to do is a circle. And then we're going to add some ears. Now these are the ears of the cat, but they're going to become the beak of the bird. So let's make sure they're nice and pointy. Next, we're going to draw the eye here. And that's just going to be a circle here on the left side of the head. And I'm going to add my pupil right in the middle so that the bird is looking out sideways when we turn it, and the cat is looking straight forward. But you can also add this at the top or the side, and then you'll see that when you turn it, it's looking in a different way. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill this in here. Okay. Now we move on to the second eye. This one is important that this one is closed for the cat because we only want one eye on the side of the bird. So we're just gonna draw a curved line here. Maybe he's winking, or maybe he's sleeping and he's just opening one eye to check out what's going on. Then we're going to draw the nose. That's just going to be another curved line here near the bottom. And two more, making the cat's mouth. And those will be some little feathers in the back of the bird's head. Okay, now we're going to move on to the body. So for the cat, he's going to be laying down. So we're going to draw a straight line out from the bottom of the circle. And then let's draw a curved line up from there that curves up and then connects back here at the head. Okay, so there's the cat's back. Now inside of this, we're going to draw a line that shows well, for the cat, it will be his hind leg. And for the bird, it will be his wing. So we want to make it come up and then touch the head and then just go back a little bit. That looks good. Now we're going to draw the tail. And for the tail, it's important that we have an upward curve to the tail here, because this is also going to be the leg and the foot of the bird. We'll make sure it looks like the bird can stand up. So a little curve there, and then we'll add some lines that sometimes you see on birds' legs. And for the cat, it could be some stripes. Okay. Now we're going to add just a few more details here. Some stripes onto the leg of the cat that will look like some feathers when we turn it sideways. So one more here. Okay, so that's it. Now let's see if it worked. And there it is, a bird. And we can turn it back here, a cat. Maybe you can show it to your parents and say, "What is this?" And when they say a cat, you can turn it sideways and say, "Nope, it's a bird." And that's it. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you next time.